Hey guys, so I think most of you have seen me cooking at some point or another on my Instagram. Well, I got to the point where I was starting to feel really tired of cooking. And I found the perfect person to join me today as we prepare for Thanksgiving. Tell the folks what we're cooking.
Yes, it's a pleasure to be here and thank you for welcoming me to your kitchen. So today we're making some delectable steamed fish, Jamaican style steamed fish, like the one you get down at Elsha.
Delectable, what name? What kind of steamed fish?
It's amazing. It's gonna wet your palate.
Ashule na watimana baratana marabachelana baskimane marabachoyana heba tlakana hwa tlakatlakana ke tlhokomele ke masepala go shota nang ka fire sasa ke tlhokometse mama zala a ke mise na ke bete pala.
Hold on now, what's happening? What's happening? Who's cooking? What y'all cooking? Oh,
all these veggies.
Nice. Wait a minute, the electric, the fancy pepper. Wow. So wait, you're making a whole fish and fish fillet?
Yes, whole fish and fish fillet.
This is going to be a great Thanksgiving.
You're kneading the dough. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's nice and knead it nice and tight. Your big spoons.
Yep.
Basically in the refrigerator until forever because it doesn't go bad.
Nice.
So it's gonna give your food that nice flavor. So I add it to everything I'm cooking. Yes, this is yours. All right, so you can cook with that.
Right. New addition to the household.
Right.
No? I mean, we end up communicating for so long.
Alright. You can slide the fish in.
Nice.
Yeah. Definitely true. People can't eat one. Nice.
Come here.
Go on, Shaq.
This was made here?
Mommy!
Uber Eats.
Mommy!
Look at this fish place.
So look at this amazing finished product. So we're about to have a happy Thanksgiving here. I hope you are too. And I hope that if after watching this video that you have found something that you can add to your recipes at home. And just as a note, there is a member of our family who does not eat whole fish. And by whole fish, we mean the fish with the head and the eyes. And so there's another pot on the fire that has the boneless fish in there. So, Raina, thank you so much. Can you imagine I got Raina to come to the house to cook for us? And Raina, tell the people where they can find you.
You can find me on all platforms at Therainaskitchen. So I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Amazon Live, all the platforms at Therainaskitchen.
Raina is big time, y'all. So follow my friend.